watching this, you're probably a busy professional woman, tired of the daily grind and searching for a way to quit your full-time job, but without sacrificing that income.
I get it. Your dream is to have more time with your family, enjoy your life, and still maintain financial security. I want to help you to achieve that, and I've got a perfect solution for you. A simple, fully automated system that only requires 2 hours of daily work and no technical skills needed. Stick around because I'll show you how to transition from your 9 to 5 to a life of financial freedom, working smarter and not harder. Let me guess, your primary goal is to have more time for the things that matter. Spending time with your family, pursuing your passions, or just having flexibility to do the things on your schedule. But here's the challenge. Our current job is draining, and despite working long hours, we feel like we're always missing out on the important moments. You probably thought about quitting, but you can't because you need the income, right? I hear you. And this is one of the biggest complaints I hear from professional women like you. Are you feeling trapped between your job and your responsibilities at home? Your second goal might be financial independence, being able to generate enough income that you don't have to rely on your employer. You want to build something for yourself, something that you control. Secondly, it's the constant worry about whether you can maintain that level of income outside your job. Maybe you've tried a side hustle before, only to find that they were too time-consuming, too confusing, or just didn't deliver on their promise. Now that's where my proven 100% profit e-learning business comes in. The system is designed for busy women like us who want to generate income quickly, efficiently, and without the tech headaches. You don't need to be a social media expert. You don't need to build complicated websites or learn extravagant skills. My system gives you a ready-made product that you can start selling right away. It's fully automated, meaning that you only need 2 hours to manage it. Allows you to create a steady stream of income while still having the time for the things that truly matter. When you work with me, you're not just getting access to a system, you're getting mentorship. I'll personally guide you through the process, teaching you how to leverage social media to market these products, grow your audience, and start earning. I've helped many women like you successfully transition out of their full-time jobs, and I'll do the same for you. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true, or I don't have any social media marketing experience. Let me address those concerns right now. The system is designed to be beginner-friendly. You don't need any special skills or expertise to succeed. I'll teach you everything you need to know, step by step. Another objection I often hear is, I've tried things like this before, and they didn't work for me. I get it. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and many systems promise results but don't deliver. What sets this apart is the mentorship and the community that comes with it. You're not going through this alone. Your ultimate fear might be that you'll quit your job and the income won't be enough to replace what you're currently making. It's a legitimate concern, and that's why I'm not promising overnight success. The system works with consistent effort and focus, but with just 2 hours a day. You can start replacing your income and eventually leave your 9 to 5 behind. Many women in our position have already tried the wrong solutions, and posting 6 times a day on social media, hoping that more visibility will bring sales, spending thousands of rands on expensive courses that overcomplicate things or don't give actionable steps. Investing in multi-level marketing schemes that require you to recruit endlessly, leaving you more stressed than before. None of these tactics will work long-term if you're looking for a genuine way to build income while managing your current responsibilities. One of the biggest mistaken beliefs I've come across is that you need to post constantly to see results. The truth is not about how much you post, but what you post and how you're targeting your audience. That's where my content strategy comes into play. You've probably already spent money on things like paid ads that didn't convert, outsourcing social media management for thousands of rands, hoping for magical results. Or perhaps you've considered hiring a coach who charges a premium for vague advice and no real strategy. These alternatives drain your time and money without giving you a clear path to success. I want to offer you something different, something that works and is sustainable. I'm offering a free content strategy session where I'll walk you through how this system can fit into your life and help you achieve your goals. If you're ready to start making $900 a day with a fully automated system, message me right now and let's get started on building your future. If you're ready to take control of your income, stop wasting time on false solutions and finally start living life on your terms. I'm here to help. Don't wait any longer. The life you want is just 2 hours a day away. Visit my website now for a free copy of my strategy.